This is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos, including French luxury brands videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this ultra-famous French luxury brand, Cartier. For the typical French pronunciation with the typical French R, say Cartier. Cartier. Do not pronounce the final R, but rather say A at the end. Cartier. With an American or English pronunciation, say Cartier, Cartier, Cartier. I hope this video was useful. Here are more videos about how to pronounce French luxury brands, and I make loads of videos about how to pronounce French. Feel free to have a look around my YouTube channel, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Until next time, I will see you soon. Bye bye. Au revoir.